Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Canva text-to-image app. So you've probably seen online all those AI text-to-image generators where you could just type in a phrase and it'll make a picture based on what you type. So Canva has this feature as well. So once you use it, then you could insert this picture into your project and then edit it just like any other kind of project. So the best way to find it is to go to your apps and then do a search for text-to-image. Then you want to look for this purple icon here. That's the official Canva one. So then you click on it, and then you'll have an option to use an existing design or using a new design. So you have to, if you do using a new design, you could pick one of these templates here, or sizes, I should say, or you could do a custom size. All right, then you have your text box here where you would type in your phrase that you want to use to generate the image. And if you click on Try an Example, it'll give you some ideas, then you could generate your image from there. Then you also have some styles if you want to choose from, like that. Aspect ratio, like, square would be a good match for my file here. So let's do, let's say, so teddy bear wearing a clown suit riding a bike. Let's see what we got here. It takes a minute to generate the images. It'll give you a few examples. And then if you don't like any, you could click on Generate Again, or if you want to kind of change some styles here. Let's see what a Dreamy does. Actually, let's do Watercolor. So there you go, you got a totally different type of image there. And if you find one you like, just simply click on it. It'll put it in your project, then you could edit it just like you would any other kind of element or image. You could even make it the background if you want, and then add some text on top of it. That type of thing. Then export it as a image, or save your project and work on it later, and do whatever you want to do with it. You then have your photo editing options as well, and so on. All right, so one more time here. Just simply go to the apps. Make sure you click on apps first. Do a search for text to image. Find the purple one here. Decide if you're going to use it in a new or existing design, and then just type in your search term, and that's all you got to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.